Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really cute project to share with you, and I used a lot of the product from ReneaBouquets. So what you're seeing in front of you are some of the items that I used. Actually, I used all of them, and I wanted to share them with you really quickly because honestly ReneaBouquets has amazing items, you guys. I really love her stuff. And first of all, let me share this with you. It is a rhinestone button. They come in several different colors and it is very reasonably priced. Now she carries a lot of these beautiful chipboards, and she has a lot of frames and shapes and flowers and really awesome stuff. You can either leave them in their original color, some of them come printed, or you can actually color them in if you like. This one is really nice too. I love that they come printed also. And then of course these really pretty decorative frames. Here are just some leaves with swirls. She also carries trims and lace, and look how beautiful this is. Now this, at least to me, this is new. I had never used this before, and they are butterflies, and these are perfect for all of your projects, even on cards, and they come in different sizes, different colors. And the type of cardstock, you guys, it's like super thick cardstock. I don't even know if it's cardstock, but it is really good paper quality. And because they come in different sizes, you can actually layer them if you like, and I think that would look so pretty. But I did not do that with my project. I'll show you how I did that. And then of course, now these are different flowers from different sets that she has, but I just bunched them all together just so I can have everything organized a little bit better. But look how beautiful. And of course I have more pinks because pink is my favorite color and I tend to use these more. And look at all of these colors. Oh my god, so pretty. And these are handmade mulberry flowers, you guys. And you can also get the leaves, as you can see, and they are just so beautiful. All right, other items that I used to create my project is I also use these beads that you can get from Hobby Lobby. I don't even think I've said what I've made. I actually made a hot air balloon. It is small. It's a lot smaller than what I thought I would have wanted, but it is my first time making this, and this is something that has been on my bucket list for years. And I got this idea from Miranda Edney. I think she is probably the very first one who made this hot air balloon years ago. I don't know if she used to dye or not, but the balloons that she made were pretty big. But I used a Spellbinder die, and it is fairly small. You can see my hand. But I really like the way it came out, you guys. Maybe one day I'll make a larger one, who knows. And that's what I made. And also the paper collection that I used to make the hot air balloon is from Polkadoodles. It is a digital download, so you can print it out as many times as you like, as well as the little girl inside the basket, you guys. It is a Winnie girl, and it is just so cute. So let me move this aside and share with you what I created. All right, you guys, so here it is. It is standing. I was going to add like a hanging element, but I decided not to, so I just left the top very simple. You can see I separated each balloon with the bead, and look how pretty those colors are. All right, so now let me share with you what it looks like, you guys. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. At the end of the video, I'm going to try and have some better pictures for you, because right now I have to lay it down so that you can see what I have created. And look how cute this is, you guys. I absolutely love the way this came out. It is my first time making this. So everything you see here, except for the paper collection and this trim, is from ReneaBouquets. Everything, you guys. Oh, and the beads, of course. So everything is from ReneaBouquets. Here are just some of those beautiful, right here, it's called Beautiful Boards. And look at those beautiful butterflies, you guys. They are just so pretty. I love them. The flowers. She also carries this flower in her shop. And then there's the printed board. And that's what that looks like. And then I added this Winnie at the bottom, and I think she's just so cute. I added that rhinestone button right here just as a decorative piece. And then in the little basket, in this, which is a box, I just filled it up with flowers, more of ReneaBouquets flowers. And then I added another butterfly right there. And okay, the bottom is messy. I didn't finish the bottom yet, but I really wanted to get this video going as soon as possible. And that is my project, you guys. You can see by my hand that, you know, it's fairly small, but it's a super cute decorative piece that I can just have right here on my desk for me to see every day. And that is what that looks like. Oh my gosh, I love it, you guys. There it is one more time. Maybe if I can show you sideways what that looks like. And there it is one more time. So pretty. I love it, you guys. Oh my god, look at that Winnie girl. She's just flying away in that hot air balloon. Also, don't forget to check the description box for a product list of ReneaBouquets items and for any other ReneaBouquets social media platforms. I will also have a direct link to the digital paper that I used, another link for the Winnie girl, and I will also have a link to the die that I used. Now, you don't have to have a die to create this project. You can hand draw your hot air balloon, or you can just Google one and get it online and just trace around the paper. All right, thanks so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.